And when you got a nice big roaring fire in here, you don't have drips of water from melting snow. I think the next thing I want to do is improve my bed. Shelter's feeling nice and tidy, the bed's feeling better. I think it's time to eat some food. A friend of mine gave me these hot dogs. I think they're made out of caribou. Oh, those smell good. That's a good hot dog. Definitely feel like this shelter's a lot warmer than yesterday. I'm gonna listen to an audiobook, just kind of relax for an hour or so before bedtime.